John Van Leiden, New Zealand Sotheby's International in the Manawatu, and we've found a little gem here at number 4, Angelina Way, just off Roberts Line, in the very good Kelvin Grove location, just down the road from Countdown, of course, and all the lovely walkways, but it has a view across the parks. Well, we like that. Built in 2010, 3 double bedrooms. Really good sized bedrooms, 2 toilets, double internal access garaging, really affordable. Buyer inquiry from 800 only, but this is a real gem. It's down a lane which is a little like a cul-de-sac, safe for children, safe for pets. It's fully fenced. You couldn't buy better. Let's have a little wander through. I'm sure you'll enjoy this one. We hope you've enjoyed the property here at number 4, Angelina Way. I love that name. Off Roberts Line, Kelvin Grove. It's a very popular location, and of course open plan living, but it goes out to covered areas that for all year round sun people are going to love for entertainment. It's a great property in a great location. You'll love it just like we do. Call Michelle or myself anytime. We'd love to show you through.